Hello everyone, welcome to the Stage for CPQ channel forum. Today we are going to discuss about some use case scenarios. So I have three scenarios which you can see on my screen. The first use case is, let's suppose we do have like a bundle. Under bundle we have some couple of options. And in this scenario what I did, we have already quoted those bundle for some of customers. And I have one use case, let's suppose you like to delete some options. So what error you see, let's suppose if you are deleting those options from the bundle, do you see any error or not? This is the one of use case that I'm going to tell you. So let me navigate to my screen here. Under this, you will see I have one bundle name called 15-inch laptop. Under this bundle, I have couple of my options here. These options belongs to different features called hardware and softwares categories. So if you see here, my bundle will look like similar to this. So 15-inch laptop has the processors, memories, and storage. Under each features, we have different options. And let's suppose for this particular bundle, we have already quoted to a quote number 0. Now my ask is or my scenario is, if I delete options, do we see any error message? Can we delete those options from the bundle or not? So let's hit and try. I came to this, but these are the list of options. So I have already quoted a product, this CPQ 2.2 gigahertz i7 processor. If I go and delete these CPQ 2.2 gigahertz processors, let's see, can I delete these options or not? So here is I'm getting this error called unable to delete product option. It's a use in a prior code. So you cannot delete this product until if you have already used those bundle in your coding. Now coming to the another use case. If you have a bundle with a different option, can we add a new options to it? If we add a new option, then what impact on those options? So let's see the scenarios. I have one product name called product 2.2 gigahertz and 2.5 gigahertz and 2.8 gigahertz processors. I'm going to create another product name called 2.3.2 as a product. So what I will do, I will click on a clone with related product. So I'm creating a new product altogether. So this new product is got created. I'm changing this name called CPU 3.2 gigahertz. Now for this product, I need to add to the particular options of the bundle name called laptop. I have my 15-inch laptop. Under this, I have these options available actually. For these options, let me clone these options, product options. Going to clone this product options. Putting a number called 40 or 30. And then this particular options has the new options that we have created. All 3.2 gigahertz processor. to uh, searching in wrong field. So this is the options here. We can see this out first. I'm creating a new options here under this bundle. I'm selecting this 3.2 gigahertz number called 50. Hit save button. All these options is not selected because I'm not going to select this as usual. So what it will happen if I go and edit this particular quotations which I have already put. If you go and click on a hit save button, it does not impact anything because those options added later before you put the product. Now, if I go and see whether I am able to see those options which are added to the laptop or not, if I go and click on the range icon, you see 3.2 gigahertz is a processor which new processor got added. I may go switch from new options to old options to these new options very easily. So if I choose a newly added options in my quotations, I can go and choose. I cannot see any impact. So adding a new options to the bundle is does not have any impact on it. This is what my second use case. Now I would like to discuss about the third use case where I have a bundle with the different options and then I would like to delete those product which is already in a option and delete those product from the system or not. What we use here. So in my first scenarios, I was deleting options. Now I would like to delete the product which I have created or added my bundle again. So this is the CPQ 2.0 that I had newly added to the my. So let me show you. So this is the product option which I already put it to the particular code 20000. Now, if I would like to delete those product directly from my product master, can I delete those or not? Let's see about the scenarios. Of course, you can't delete because you have already put it to a particular customer. So in this scenario, you should to mark as a inactive rather than deleting. Okay. So this is the third use case that we would like to highlight here. So now this is all about our all three use case that we discussed so far. Thanks for subscribing CPQ Hours. Please feel free to add your comments and feedback regarding this. If you have any other questions or queries, please feel free to add your comment on. Thanks everyone.